gathered today for concluding this 3-day-long festival, Miras 2013, which is being highly appreciated by all and sundry, and we are continuously receiving the messages of applause and excellence from different corners. And here, I'll also pay my special thanks to the editorial board of Indian Express for their valuable coverage and homage of this great event in its today's issue. Worthy audience, we have seen a panorama of events covering a varied variety of subjects. It would be out of place to mention here that all this has happened because of your benign presence during these days of Miras 2013. And without your esteemed presence, we would not have been in a position to gain all the praise and appreciation which has been constantly flowing from the varied sections of viewers in this behalf. And as such, I offer warmest thanks and regards on behalf of the Dean's Campus Welfare, along with the Cultural Committee of Jamia Millia Islamia, without which this valedictory function shall indeed remain incomplete. Revered audience, as it was a gala event being performed at different places of Jamia Millia Islamia, and as such, our esteemed guests and invites could not enjoy this entire mega performance owing to their preoccupations during these days of Miras. So let's have a peek into all those events which have taken place from 26th day of February 2013 till today through the medium of a slideshow which is being presented shortly. So enjoy the slideshow. All of you might have enjoyed this recapitulation of events of the preceding days with all zest and zeal for immortalizing these sweet memories of Miras 2013 in the days to come. Now, I request Pro Vice Chancellor Janab S.M. Rashid Sahab, Janab Akhtarul Wasi Sahab, Janab Abad Ahmed Sahab, the Dean Students Welfare, Professor Tasneem Minai Sahiba, to honor the stage with their magnificent presence so that the remaining speaking events is accordingly carried forward. आप आए तो जामिया के दीवारों दर बोल उठे, आप आए तो जामिया के दीवारों दर बोल उठे, हम आज बेमिसल फख्र इफ्तिखार के साथ जी उठे, हम आज बेमिसल फख्र इफ्तिखार के साथ जी उठे. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause for all of you. Now, it's time for felicitation of the dignitaries on dais who have graced us today with their august presence. Before we felicitate our guests, I would like to introduce you all our valued guests. Professor Vice Chancellor of Jamia, Pro Vice Chancellor of Jamia Millia Islamia, Janab S.M. Rashid Sahab, has been associated with the institution for 50 years, both as a student and teacher. He joined the varsity as a lecturer in 1973 and has been working in the area of cartography. He served as the Dean Faculty of Natural Sciences and is an expert in the field of remote sensing. I now invite the Dean Students Welfare to felicitate Professor Tasneem Minai to felicitate our revered Pro-Vice Chancellor, Janab S.M. Rashid Sahab. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Janab Akhtarul Wasi Sahab was born and educated in Aligarh, BA Honours and Masters in Islamic Studies from Aligarh Muslim University. He joined Jamia Millia Islamia as lecturer in 1978 and rose to professor in Islamic Studies in 1991. He is a very good orator apart from a versatile writer and has won many awards. He has also worked as correspondent of press, Asia International, Qawmi Awaz and National Herald, and has edited such books as Islam and Modern Age and magazine Jamia. He has over 250 articles to his credit, and recently he won the Padma Shri. I again invite the Dean Students Welfare, Professor Tasneem Minai, to felicitate Janab Akhtarul Wasi Sahab. Janab Abad Ahmed Sahab has been Professor of Management at the Faculty of Management Studies, University of Delhi. He has been the Pro-Vice Chancellor, Director, South Campus and Dean of the Faculty of Management Studies at the University of Delhi. He has been Executive Director of the Management Development Institute, Gurgaon. And presently he is a visiting professor at the Center for Management Studies in Jamia Millia Islamia. And I request the Dean Students Welfare, Professor Tasneem Minai Sahiba, to felicitate our guest, Janab Abad Ahmed Sahab.
Honorable Pro-Vice Chancellor, Professor S.M. Rashid, Guest of Honor, Professor Akhtarul Wasi, Chief Guest, Professor Abad Ahmed, participants of the 3-day Inter-University Cultural Festival, conveners of various clubs within the Jamia Cultural Committee, and dear students. It is a matter of great privilege to deliver the report as well as the vote of thanks for Miras 2013. At the outset, I wish to place on record our deep gratitude to Honorable Vice Chancellor Mr. Najib Jang for the immense trust that he has reposed in the Jamia Cultural Committee. The Vice Chancellor has given us full support and has been a great source of encouragement. The different clubs, that is, the Bold Debating Society, the Drama Club, the Entrepreneurship Club, the Literary Club, the Music Club, and the Music and Fine Arts Club constitute the Cultural Committee of Jamia Millia Islamia. On behalf of this committee, I thank the Vice Chancellor for being so supportive in all our efforts. I wish to call on stage my Cultural Committee members as a token of appreciation for their cooperation and dedication to making Miras possible. May I invite the convener of the Drama Club, Professor Ravi Kamal, to the stage, please. Dr. Shima Ali, convener of the Debating Club. Dr. Kehkeshan Sal, convener of the Literary Club. Dr. C.V. Murtaza, convener of the Music and Finance Club. Dr. Naseem Ahmed, convener of the Entrepreneurship Club. Dr. Hasmat Jahan, co-convener of the Debating Club. Dr. Sarvanul Huda, co-convener of the Literary Club. Dr. Fayaz Ahmed, co-convener of the Entrepreneurship Club. Dr. A.C. Karingpam, co-convener of the Music and Finance Club. Dr. Anuradha Ghosh, co-convener of the Literary Club English section. Mr. Ravi Ahmed, co-convener of the Music and Finance Club. Mr. Shakir Ahmed Khan, co-convener. This is the Jamia Cultural Committee, which has been continuously working throughout the year to make Jamia culturally vibrant. I wish to place on record my appreciation for my team who has helped me throughout the year and not just when Miras happened. So it is important that they are here for my students to recognize the people who constitute the Cultural Committee. Thank you, all of you. Having introduced the Cultural Committee to the audience here, I will now focus on the making of Miras 2013. It is just about a month ago that two students visited me in my office requesting to hold an inter-university cultural festival. I wish you all would be able to appreciate that within a month, these two students gathered more such other committed students, and this Miras 2013 has been entirely driven by my students. It was their idea to hold this, and it was the duty of the Cultural Committee to make it happen with their constant support and encouragement. I would like to call on stage the core committee of students who have worked for the last 4 weeks with us on making the last possible. Mansoor, Zakir, Momin, Walker, Mars, Asma, Aqib, Khalid, Waqia, Bismillah, Nadeem, Rashid, Nitin, Sushant, Sherry, Sadia, Ali, Abba, it has not been possible to bring all the students onto the stage, and this is just a glimpse of some of the students who have been consistently there. If I have missed out any names, this festival really culminated. We have 49 institutions. I think, yes, my volunteers may be sorry for making this stand. We had, I'm sorry, sir, I'm sorry. The list of participating universities is a picture of diversity. We had 49 institutions ranging from Aligarh Muslim University, Amity University, B.R. Ambedkar College, Chaudhry Devinal University, TSP Campus, Nainital, G.B. Pant University, Government College of Engineering and Technology, Jaffna, Indian Institute of Management and Technology, Dehradun, Indian Institute of Mass Communication, New Delhi, IIT Bombay, Jamia Millia Islamia, of course, Khalid Autonomous College, Berhampur, Odisha, Kurukshetra University, Kurukshetra, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Sanskrit Vidyapith, Lovely Professional University, Maharishi Dayanand University, Matilal Chaturvedi University. I know the list is long, so I got your reaction. Now, I'll quickly wind up by telling you that we had 25 categories of competitions, 49 institutions participated, over 500 students participated in these 25 categories, out of which 82 students were outstationed. They did not belong to Delhi, they had come from outside Delhi. So the response has been tremendous. I want to especially thank all the institutions who participated here, and it is because of their wholehearted participation that Miraz was really enriched. If I had left out anybody from my appreciation here, I'm sorry, but the team has been large. The number of people who came along to help us has been really outstanding. All departments of the university, all categories of people who are associated with my office, everybody who related to make it possible. Thank you everyone.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And now I invite Professor Abad Hikmat Sahab to please say a few words. A huge round of applause.
Respected Vice Chancellor Ashraf Rashid Sahab, respected Dr. Sahib, respected Steve Sahib, respected teachers, the winners, and the entire cultural team, and very dear students. I consider indeed this a very great honor to be associated with the Jamia Millia Islamia and with this special occasion. I would like to take this opportunity first to thank Professor Hassan Rashid because of whom I have been associated with this very distinguished university. Entirely because of this very important initiative that I had the privilege of being associated with Jamia Millia Islamia. And I'm also thankful to Steve Sahiba for her very kind invitation to me to present on this occasion. Friends, when I came to this auditorium and I was seeing around all the young people bustling with activity and enthusiasm, and I saw them in this beautiful garden, so full of life and excitement and joy, I could immediately sense what a rich and stimulating and sort of energizing and educative experience these 3 days was happening for all of you who participated in this event. I would like to compliment Asmi Vinay Sahiba as well as all the members of the cultural committee, all the conveners and co-conveners, and especially the young students who have taken the initiative to organize this event and make it so grand and so successful. innovative activities that I could think about the program. When I was reflecting on this program, I was thinking that the aim of education is not merely to grant degrees and to impart knowledge. It is much more than that. It is to build the character of the students, bring out the best in your in terms of your potential and your capabilities, develop your personality, confidence, and make you productive, creative, and responsible citizens. Actually, education's main objective and aim is to liberate the human mind. And it is in this context I feel that these events are far more important than merely the classroom learning that takes place in our class. I feel very, very happy to see that this event has been successful. And in this context, I would like to say that the variety and the range which I saw take place in terms of creating kind of events that we have gone through, they were really very impressive. And I would like to speak a few words especially about entrepreneurship, because I have been associated with management education for almost 5 decades now. In fact, I came to Delhi economically. Today's situation is that we are very well resourced in terms of minerals, in terms of manpower and everything. Still they are less developed, but countries without much resources, but because of entrepreneurship and leadership, you find that they have great points. So I find that especially entrepreneurship deserves a great deal of consideration in our education system. And by the way, please don't think that entrepreneurs only are just doing only management skills. I find that the entrepreneurial spirit is really connected with the achievement motivation that you have, inner drive that you have, to be able to be on your own and create something that will value in the society, that will create wealth, and that will add to your own personal gratification of doing something creative and innovative. And I find many young people from liberal arts and humanities getting into now many professions on their own, creating their own enterprises, becoming entrepreneurs on their own, and especially because of the now computers and internet, it has become much easier. So I would like that particularly to be kept in mind, and I would like to see young people like you come up and develop this country and contribute to your very high creative talent that we have in our society. I would like to congratulate all the winners and all participants for their enormous contribution. I would like to thank you once again for giving this opportunity, and thank you all.
Thank you so much, sir, for your wisdom support. I now request Professor Abdul Basit Sahab to please say the introduction. Once again, Chairman Abdul
Vice Chancellor, Professor Professor Ahmad Ahmed Sahab, Professor Tasneem Minai Sahiba, Galami, Mehmanani Galami, मैं शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ मेरी स्टूडेंट वेलफेयर का कि उन्होंने मुझे मौका दिया आज की शाम मैं आपके साथ उन खुशियों में शामिल हूँ जो इज्तिमाई तौर पर सारे जामिया वालों की खुशी है, और उन लोगों का खास तौर पर शुक्रिया अदा करूँ जो कि मुल्क के अलग अलग हिस्सों से जामिया आए और एक नया हिंदुस्तान बनाने की जो जामिया वालों की कोशिश है उसमें वो भागीदार हैं। जैसा कि हम सब जानते हैं, हमारी जो आज़ादी की तहरीक थी, हमारा जो स्वाधीनता का आंदोलन था, के बीच पड़ी और जामिया मीडिया वालों का हमेशा से ये ख्वाब रहा है हिंदुस्तान मजबूत हो, हिंदुस्तान खुशहाल हो, हिंदुस्तान तरक्की करे, हिंदुस्तान में एक सामाजिक सद्भावना यानी समाजी हमारी और इस तरह का ये प्रोग्राम जिसका नाम ही मीरास है यानी हेरिटेज या धरोहर, तो भारत की धरोहर जो है वो अनेकता में एकता में है। संगीत के, साहित्य के, भाषा के हवाले से और अपने जो आपके अंदर अभिव्यक्ति है, निखारे ख्याल की ताकत है, उसके जरिए आपने इसी का सबूत किया है। हम इसके लिए मुबारकबाद देते हैं DSW को, उनकी कल्चरल टीम को। मौलाना मोहम्मद अली जौहर मार्ग कहलाती है, उसके उस तरफ भी हमें कामयाबी मिली और इस तरफ भी कामयाबी। हमारी पीढ़ी अपना रोल अंजाम दे चुकी है। इस देश का मुस्तकबिल आपके हाथों में है और इकबाल ने कहा था, उसी पर मैं अपनी बात करता हूँ, उस कौम को शमशीर की हाजत नहीं रहती और जिसके जवानों की खुदी सूरत आगे बढ़े और बात को साबित करें कि नया हिंदुस्तान बनाने का नया सपना 21वीं सदी हिंदुस्तान की सदी हो, इसको यह अच्छा सच बनाने के लिए हिंदुस्तान का नौजवान तैयार है और जामिया से इसकी एक कोशिश सूरत के सामने आई है। मैं जामिया के शेखुल जामिया, नायब शेखुल जामिया, रजिस्ट्रार और सारे लोगों को मुबारकबाद देता हूँ। उन तमाम टीचर्स को जो कल्चरल कमेटी में हैं, उन तमाम वॉलंटियर्स को जो कि तालिब इल्मों की सूरत में थे कि जिन्होंने जामिया का नाम ऊंचा किया। जो मेहमान टीमें आई हैं मुख्तलिफ यूनिवर्सिटियों से, हो सकता है कि हम आपकी खिदमत में कुछ कमी रह गई हो, तो मैं सिर्फ ये कहूँगा कि आप हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी को इस एतबार से देखिएगा कि हमारे पास हो सकता है तवाज़े का सामान न हो, लेकिन मोहब्बत का सामान all distinguished guests from different parts of the country, the faculty members from Jamia, the members of the sports and this cultural committee, the volunteers, student volunteers who had taken this great initiative, वो तमाम लोग जो एक छोटे से हिंदुस्तान का हिस्सा है, लेकिन असीम हिंदुस्तान का हिस्सा है। ये मौका बहुत सारी बातें करने का नहीं है, लेकिन कुछ बातें करनी जरूरी है। अख्तर वासे साहब ने बहुत सी बातें की और उन तमाम जरूरतों की तरफ हमारी तवज्जो दिलाई जो आज इस हिंदुस्तान में हम सब के लिए बेइंतहा जरूरी है। एक दूसरे को करीब लाना, एक दूसरे को समझना, एक दूसरे से ताल्लुक पैदा करना। और अगर हम आवाज साहब की बातों के ऊपर ध्यान दें, एजुकेशन का मकसद क्या है, और अगर हम एजुकेशन के मकसद को अल्टीमेट नॉलेज के बाद की सीढ़ी की शक्ल में पहचानना चाहें, हम सब एजुकेशन एक्वायर करते हैं, नॉलेज एक्वायर करते हैं। कुछ लोग नॉलेज को डिसिमिनेट करते हैं,
कुछ ऐसे लोग होते हैं जो नॉलेज को क्रिएट करते हैं, लेकिन अल्टीमेटली क्रिएशन ऑफ द नॉलेज इज द लास्ट, नॉट लास्ट. Perhaps there is much more beyond the creation of the knowledge, and that is the truth, Sat. And the fact is that by organizing Miras, we have taken a great initiative in reviving our great heritage. This is the need of the time, because under the changing circumstances, whereby we are particularly devoting or getting attracted from the Western culture and Western, every type of the Western things. There is a need that India enjoys a great historical legacy, great historical heritage, and there is a need that we revive that heritage. तस्लीम इनाई साहबा और उनके तमाम मेंबरान कल्चरल कमेटी और वॉलंटियर्स ने आज जामिया में 2030 की मदद से ये साबित करने की कोशिश की है कि हिंदुस्तान में एक ऐसे इनिशिएटिव की जरूरत थी जो उन्होंने लेकर एक पहल की है. मैं समझता हूँ कि आगे आने वाले दिनों में हर यूनिवर्सिटी इस तरह के मीरास को ऑर्गेनाइज करेगी. ये ऑर्डिनरी मीरास नहीं है, ऑर्डिनरी बिगिनिंग नहीं है. ये एक ऐसी बिगिनिंग है जो आपस की गलत फहमियों को दूर करने में कामयाब होगी. मुझे ये यकीन है कि जो लोग पहली बार जाके आए होंगे उनके दिलों के अंदर बहुत सारे सवाल होंगे. उनके दिलों में ये सवाल होंगे कि मालूम नहीं हम जहाँ जा रहे हैं वहाँ महफूज रह पाएंगे या नहीं रह पाएंगे. बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग के सवाल होंगे कि मालूम नहीं हमारे साथ किस तरह का सलूक होगा. लेकिन जो आज 52 साल बाद जामिया में रहने के बाद मैं महसूस कर रहा हूं, मैं 8वीं क्लास के स्टूडेंट के ऐसे से आया था और ऊपर वाले का करम है और मेरे बुजुर्गों की मेरे ऊपर दुआएं हैं कि मैं आज उस जगह पर पहुंच गया हूं जो हम सबका ख्वाब होता है. लेकिन जामिया में जो प्यार, जो मोहब्बत मुझे दिया है और शायद इन 3 दिनों के अंदर आपको भी एहसास होगा कि अगर फिरदौस परवेज अमीयस 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 शायद आपके दिल में ये तक भी पैदा हो रहा होगा कि किसी से मेरी मंजिल का पता पाया नहीं जाता, जहां मैं हूं फरिश्तों से वहां जाया नहीं जाता. तो मुझ पर ऐसा है तेरे दर से उठकर अब कहीं जाया नहीं जाता. मैं एक बार फिर तस्लीम इनाई साहिबा उन तमाम मेंबरान को जो इस ग्रेट इनिशिएटिव को ऑर्गेनाइज करने में साथ रहे हैं, जिन्होंने ऑर्गेनाइज किया है, और इन सबसे ऊपर हिंदुस्तान की 39 यूनिवर्सिटी और इंस्टीट्यूट से आए हुए उन तमाम लोगों का शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ जो हम सबके दिलों में ये एहसास पैदा कर रहे हैं. थैंक यू.
हम जो भी कहते हैं बेखौफ मदर कहते हैं, अंजाम से भी बेखबर हो के कहते हैं. सच बोलना तो अपना ईमान है यारो, हम वो नहीं जो सबको जहर कहते हैं. Now it's time for the most vital part of this Miras Festival 2013, which is the prize distribution in favor of various winners. And without leaving any room for further wait, in this behalf, I would like to introduce Shabi to please come on the dais and carry on the further proceedings. In this behalf, a huge round of applause for Miss Shabi, please.
Hello everyone.
We
announcement of results for the literary club. In the first category, that is poetry composition and recitation. The third prize goes to, in Urdu language, the third prize goes to to give away the prizes, I'd like to request Professor Aman Ahmed for entering and contributorship events.